Hello everyone, so this is the sixth video on the customization of Emacs. So let's get started. Today we're going to install a package called Swiper, IV and counsel. So let's get the package list. So here we are with the MELP and all the packages here. Okay, so this problem what we have, we're gonna fix it today for showing the UTF-8 encoding systems. Anyway, so if we search for this IV package, it has, so you can do one thing, we can just simply go ahead and install counsel, because counsel depends on IV and Swiper also depends on IV. So like that you can get all three of them. So Swiper, you can see it depends, it requires this one, and if I have the Swiper here, it should require the IV. So all these packages will be installed if we just install the counsel package. Alright. So let's install this. So it takes a while to install this one, to get the repos and everything. Now this should be here. Now let's open our org file. Okay, not this one. So IV plus counsel plus Swiper. So here you can see that this is already installed, so we just go to the main GitHub repo, and there are some informations there that we would like to copy it here. Anyway, so this is the maintainer, and here we can see there are a bunch of codes here. So I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply copy and paste them, and it's going to change some of the functionality that we have in the basic Emacs. Now there are some things I don't like here. For example, find file, I would like to keep the IDO mode here. This is just to keep the find file behavior same, and I would like to define one more variable here. So that is counsel and pop. Now what does they do? So we will see in a minute. So let me open our init.el file. Okay, and eval buffer. Now when it is done, so as you can see from the key bindings here, that it's actually going to be replacing your iSearch mode and some other functionalities like Emacs. It's actually counsel Emacs now, and also the whatever just rebounded to CY, so yanking and all the skill rings, these functionalities are going to be changing here. So how does that help? So let's say I want to do Control S now. So as you can see, it's actually changed from simple iSearch to something called a swiper, and it has some good features. Like if I can do something, let's say global, you can see it has matched how many candidates are there. So 26 candidates are total there, and it also gives you line numbers on that. So if you just scroll down, you can actually navigate through that, and it actually navigates from the top buffers also. So that's pretty good. And it does some fuzzy matching algorithm, so you can give it, like if you give a space, it is equivalent to a regex of dot star. And let's say I want to find the key, and the next set you can see that it is highlighting like this. Now you can do regex search also, but in that case the entire search string will come and the coloring will change accordingly. So you can do that too, and you can add other things, and if you don't have it, it actually goes away. So these things are pretty cool. If you have something called something for the if you want to change your iSearch behavior like this. And one more thing is that Emacs. So if I hit meta-x now, so you can see all the possible commands it shows. So let's say I want to check some commands related to counsel. So I just type this and it's coming like this. And let's say I want to check only the bookmarks related commands, and this gives you like this. The two options are there, and you can play around this and set your own things. So but MX and MS and MY, these things are the things I found the most interesting. Now how does why this counsel yank pop works? So let's see. So let's say I have yanked this one. So this is on my kill ring now, and as well as this is on my kill ring now. So if I press Control Y, so if I place the Control Y, it should have came counsel yank pop. So if I get the counsel yank pop, you can see that these options will come, right? Okay, for some reason it's not coming for the counsel yank pop. Bind key did not set properly for some reason. Okay, let me debug that for a moment. Okay, I'll define it somewhere here maybe. Now I'll go to eval buffer. Okay, it's coming now. For some reason it kind of I think the bracket was closed, maybe. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's working now. So that's gonna be about it, and thanks for watching. Let me know that if you like the video.